At 10:51 a.m., Stephen was more than a little surprised to see a grey regulation blanket draped round Ivan's shoulder. फिर स्टीफन हैरान हुआ कि इसने ब्लैंकेट कैसे लिया, and he frowned slightly and looked at the examinee more closely. But Ivan's, the pen still between his teeth and stirring just as vacantly as before, blankly beneath a blanket. लेकिन इवान्स वैसे ही बैठा था, पेन दांतों के बीच में था और वो ब्लैंकेट में. शुड स्टीफन रिपोर्ट द स्लाइट इरेगुलरिटी? स्टीफन फिर सोचता है कि क्या स्टीफन को ये जो इरेगुलरिटी है इसके बारे में कंप्लेंट करनी चाहिए. शुड स्टीफ anything at all fishy, hadn't Jackson said. He looked through the peephole once again, and even as he did so, Evans pulled the dirty blanket more closely to himself. इवान्स ने वो गंदा सा ब्लैंकेट अपने पास कर लिया, जैसे उसने देखा कि कोई पीप होल में होता है छोटी सी, मतलब बारीक सी जगह अंदर देखने के लिए. वॉज ही प्लानिंग अ सडन बैटमैन लीव टू सफोकेट मैक्लेरी इन द ब्लैंकेट? अब जैक्सन और स्टीफन सोच रहे थे कि क्या उसका ब्लैंकेट लपेटने का मतलब कुछ और है. मतलब क्या वो ब्लैंकेट में मैक्लियरी को लपेट के उसको चोक कर सकता है, मतलब उसकी सांस रोक सकता है. Don't be daft. There was never any sun on this side of the prison. No heating either during the summer months, and it could get quite chilly in some of the cells. Stephen decided to revert to his earlier every-minute observation. At 11:20 a.m., the receiver once more crackled across the silence of governor's office, and McLeary informed Evans that only 5 minutes remained. The examination was almost over now, but something still gnawed away quietly in the governor's mind. He reached for the phone once more. At 11:22 a.m., Jackson shouted along the corridor to Stephen. 11:22 पे Jackson चिल्लाता हुआ गया. The governor wanted to speak with him. Hurry, man. Stephen picked the phone apprehensively and listened to the rapidly spoken order. Stephen himself was to accompany McLeary to the main prison gate. स्टीफन को मैक्लियरी के साथ मेन प्रिजन गेट तक जाना था. स्टीफन्स पर्सनली वॉज टू मेक एब्सोल्यूटली श्योर दैट द डोर वॉज लॉक्ड ऑन इवान्स आफ्टर मैक्लियरी हैड लेफ्ट द सेल. और स्टीफन को ये श्योर करना था कि मैक्लियरी के जाने के बाद जो सेल डोर है वो प्रॉपरली बंद हो गया है. Understood. At 11:25 a.m., the governor heard the final exchanges. McLeary, stop writing, please. McLeary, put your sheet in order and see they are correctly numbered. Scrapping of chairs. Evans, thank you very much. McLeary, all right. Evans, not too bad. McLeary, good. Stephens. The governor heard the door clang for the last time. The examination was over. How did he get on, do you think? Asked Stephen as he walked beside McLeary to the main gate. Oh, I can't think. He is distinguished. Okay, bye. That's all for today.